In this video, we're saving money for our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. And the money that we're going to save, which will be $6,000, and that is going to go towards our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. What we should do is sit down and calculate our living expenses for the month, multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let us know how much we need to save. And we're doing this within a 52-week savings challenge. So stay tuned and join me for this great tip that will help you get your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund or your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, which this video is geared towards. Okay, now this savings challenge, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 5, which I do on Fridays. And this is my favorite savings challenge. This is the one I started with, and then the other ones came after that. Now, you know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, but we need to save also 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what that is for the month. Write it down, and even look at things. Look at how much money is coming in and how much is coming in and how much is going out. And start eliminating things. Sit down and say, well, yeah, I need this, and this, but I don't need this, and this. And you know, you'll see yourself having extra money, and that way you can take money and put towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Now, this savings challenge is going to be saving $6,000 throughout the year of 2025 with a 52-week savings challenge. And we're saving $125 every week. Okay? So, but if that's too hard for you, or you can't do that, do it every 2 weeks or once a month, but do something. Okay? Because in case something like this happens, you want to still have money to tap into. You want to have money to still be able to pay your rent, your gas bill, your electric bill, your mortgage, your cell phone, your car payment, your buy food. You want to still be able to keep things going. There was a time I was off for 5 months. I had no money saved or nothing. No job, no money saved. And it was rough. I got through it, and then I ended up going back to work. And I was able to catch everything back up, but you know what? I didn't have to be in that position. All I had to do was do what I'm doing now. We live and we learn. Yeah. Take it from me. Okay? So yeah. And we don't want to have to run out and get one of these, and one of these. Okay? And run up a bunch of these. Okay? So, in this savings challenge since the beginning of 2025, I've been putting $125 in this, and this is considered cash stuffing, And this is cash stuffing binder that I made and created with just a notebook out of Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I turned around and I saw these pencil pockets. These are pockets that holds pencils. And I saw that they fit in this notebook perfectly. Only thing, I had to get some longer fasteners, which I bought at Walmart. They were assorted sizes in a package for like $2 or $3. I had to put those in here because these was not secure with the fasteners that was in this notebook. Okay. So, and that's what I've been cash and stuffing this notebook with. And I forgot to get the bunny. I got it in my nightstand drawer. So hold on, I gotta go get the money. Okay? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So where was I? I happened to look over here and realize you didn't get the money. So anyway, yeah. What you need for this video is some kind of cash stuffing binder, which if you don't want to make one like I did, you can go on Amazon and buy one, or TikTok or Temu. And they have those clear sleeves where you stuff the money in, okay? So anyway, and you also going to need for this video some money, which is 120, see that's a 20, and this is a 5, $125. And what we've been doing is, those of you that are following me with this particular saving challenge is stuffing this with $125. And I've been doing this since the beginning of 2025, and at the end of 2025, it will be $6,000. Now, that may be less than your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, but that money can go towards your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, okay? And once you save this $6,000, and that can go towards it, your 3 to 6 months. Like say for instance, your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses is $10,000, let's just say. So then you just need to save $4,000 more. Okay? All right, so you want to make sure you have something like that, because like I said, you can pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone. You can make your car payment. You can still do things. You can buy food and carry on. And because you don't want to be in this situation if something like this happens. Okay? All right. Now, I say this in every video. I think this is a great savings challenge because to me, $125 is not that much. But it may be steep for somebody else. And if this is your situation and this, you should be able to get $125 out of your salary if you're spending your money right. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, okay? Eliminate a lot of shopping. And I know Christmas is coming up and people's going to be doing a lot of buying and stuff, you know. I ain't going to say what I'm going to do. But I got to the point that I'm living on less than what I make. I'm watching my spending. I'm staying out of where's my card? This, okay? And that would really help you. Now, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. That way you can put away money for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Okay? All right, another thing that will help if you do whatever you can to come out of this and this, okay? And go to the grocery store and buy food so you can meal prep. And if you're a person that likes to buy this coffee or go through this drive-through, you can go to the store and buy your own coffee and make your own coffee. And you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all the money that I've been putting away. Okay? So this pocket here is for the $100 bills. Okay? And I'm going to add $100. And I think last Friday, I missed this video. And what I usually do when I miss a video, I double the money, but I didn't do it this time. So maybe I'll do it next time. Double it. Okay, so this pocket holds the $50 bills. See that? And I'm not adding a 50 today. And I'm creating these videos to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for their 3 to 6 months of their living expenses if they're not. Okay, this pocket holds the $20 bills. Okay, and then I'm adding a 20. All right. And this pocket holds the $10 bills. Okay, and I'm not adding a 10 today. Okay. I hope you all are inspired to start saving for your emergency fund in your 3 to 6 months if you're not. And this pocket holds the $5 bills. Okay, and I'm going to add another 5 to it. All right. And at the end of the year, that's when I'll count all of this. Okay, and then this pocket holds the $1 bills. And I'm not adding any ones. Okay? All right. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and record. Okay, where's my pen? The one that works. Okay, so let me see. This is a cash stuffing binder. We added $125. Okay, so we added $125. The total amount last week, well, I missed the video on the 26th. So the 26th of September, the last video was on the 19th of September, and it was $4,625. And since I've added $125, the total amount is $4,750. $4,750. Okay. All right. So it's getting there. It's almost 6,000. It's not 6,000 yet, but it will be at the end of this year. Okay. All right. So I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? And let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.